The Capitol Theatre is one of the world's great cinemas. And when you go in there, it is the most stunning environment. It is what I call the Australian Alhambra. The Capitol Theatre has been empty for many years now, and we have to bring it back to life. RMIT's vision for the Capitol is more than just a glorious lecture theatre with the most glamorous ceiling in the world. It's got to be a place where our students want to be on a regular basis. We're hoping to have 1,000 students on site per week, not just watching films, not just taking part in being there, but actually involved in linking up with industry through work-integrated learning, from everything from project management through to PR, through to film studies, through to the whole range of wonderful courses that we run here at RMIT. That's the ambition. It could be a place where new media thrives in an old media setting. There's a real opportunity to make a difference through a donation. Your donation will create an incredible legacy for the future for RMIT, our students, the creative industries, and the people of Melbourne.